Chakra healing is a subject by itself, and it's not as simple as pick the crystal of the chakra color energy and off we go. I want to make this quick video to give you some tips on checking your chakras and use crystals for balancing. You will do this while you wait to get an appointment with your energy healer to do a deep dive and find the causes of your chakra imbalances, okay? So let's get to it. Our energy systems must be balanced for proper functioning. Overactive, underactive, or blocked chakras mean that a lot of energy is flowing to one place or the others are not getting enough, and they're not supplying that energy to our organs and systems. I'll make this very simple. You won't need a store supply of stones to do this. Here's what you're gonna need. One pendulum, one clear quartz point, or if you are doing all the chakras at the same time, 7 tumbled pieces of quartz, one piece of black tourmaline or black obsidian for grounding, and at least 1 hour to dedicate to yourself and know how to use a pendulum, or know the movements for yes or no. The first step is to set aside the time and the space to be present. Give yourself permission to be in that moment and set the intention for healing. You can do a simple meditation to place you in a state of receiving. Hold the black stone for grounding and centering. Now we start. Use the pendulum to check the state of the chakras. Start with the root chakra and ask, is this chakra balanced? If it's balanced, then you move on to the next. If not, you can ask if it's overactive or underactive, and some people have different indicators for different conditions. Just take simple notes. 1 through 7, keep it simple, just write the answers for no. The next step is, once you're done checking your 7 main chakras, we do the adjusting. Take the point and visualize the energy going into that chakra. Make it rotate clockwise. Synchronize it with your breathing. Just hold the point and visualize the energy doing the work. Spend the time you need until you feel it's right. Then move on to the next until you're done. And the last step is check all your chakras with your pendulum again to see if you're now in a state of balance. If you want to do all of them, lay down and place a piece of clear quartz programmed with the intention to bring those energies into balance. Relax, lay down for 30 minutes or what it feels right, and check again. Chakra imbalances need to be identified and treated, whether that is with emotional release, hypnotherapy, Reiki, or whatever your favorite energy healing modality is. Crystals will definitely help, but we need to find the root cause and take quality time for self-care. I hope this quick process helps and you're making an appointment with your favorite healer and take that precious time. Don't forget to check the links below for free courses and to sign up for the basic crystal healing course. Until next time, be well, have fun, and do some magic.